Struggling to get better rest night after night? These new Amazon products are designed to instantly improve your sleep with comfort, smart features, and soothing support. All product links are in the description below. Turn your bedroom into the ultimate relaxation zone with this smart all-in-one bed. Built-in Bluetooth speakers and dual USB ports let you play music and charge devices without leaving your cozy spot. The adjustable massage chaise soothes tired muscles and melts away stress after a long day. Huge underbed and side storage keeps bedding, shoes, and essentials neatly tucked away. Assembly is simple, with labeled pieces, tools, and clear instructions making setup a breeze. Ever wish you could step into your own little gaming bubble? This pod chair wraps you in comfort while surrounding you with built-in speakers for that full-body sound experience. You can kick back, lie down, and play with a monitor set right where you need it. The curve of the seat supports you so you can game for hours without feeling cramped. It's basically your personal command center for pure relaxation. Meet the bed that does it all. This smart hydraulic bed lifts effortlessly to reveal hidden storage underneath. Perfect for keeping your room neat and organized. Built-in shelves hold your essentials close by, while colorful RGB lights along the headboard and footboard set the mood with customizable brightness and effects. You can even charge your devices right from the headboard or secure valuables in the hidden safe box. With its sturdy steel frame, quiet design, and projector-ready top mount, it's where comfort meets modern innovation. Your campsite just found its new favorite seat. This hammock-style camping chair lets you sway gently while you relax, with a built-in head pillow for extra comfort. The retractable footrest adjusts or detaches so you can sit exactly how you like. A side cup holder keeps your drink close, and the breathable mesh seat keeps you cool. It folds down into a carrying bag, making it perfect for camping, fishing, or picnics. Meet the pillow that does more than just sit there. This memory foam reading pillow supports your arms, lap, and even your gadgets while you read, work, or game in bed. The side pockets keep your phone or remote close at hand, and the adjustable platform adds extra comfort and stability. Lightweight yet durable, it hugs your body and rebounds quickly for long-lasting support. Machine washable cover makes cleanup a breeze. These giant cloud-shaped loungers are the ultimate dream for anyone who wants to float in comfort right at home. Whether suspended from the ceiling for a floating sensation or resting on the floor like a plush cocoon, each piece is handcrafted with luxurious materials like faux fur and velvet. Complete with cushions and whimsical designs, they make a bold statement in minimalist spaces, offering both supreme comfort and a conversation starter. This coffee table does more than just sit there. With a smooth lift-top design, it rises up to meet you, making eating, working, or relaxing way more comfortable. Hidden storage inside keeps clutter out of sight, while side compartments hold everyday items within reach. Built-in wheels let you roll it wherever you need it, then lock it in place. It arrives fully assembled, so you can use it the moment it shows up. It's not just a coffee table, it's a complete living room upgrade. This multifunctional lift-top table hides 4 stools inside, ready for guests or extra seating anytime. The top lifts smoothly to turn into a dining or work surface, thanks to its hydraulic lift system. Hidden compartments keep your space clutter-free, and the wheels make moving it effortless. Smart, sleek, and endlessly practical, your living room just got more versatile. Get ready for a piece of furniture that practically shapeshifts. This Murphy setup flips from a clean, modern shelf into a full workstation, and then drops down into a comfy bed when you need it. You get a desk for your laptop, shelves for your books, and a hidden sleeping space all in one spot. It's perfect if you want more room without giving anything up. One smooth pull, and your entire space transforms on command. Turn your bathroom into a private spa retreat. This Whirlpool bathtub surrounds you with warm water and soothing jets that melt away tension and ease sore muscles. Built-in chromotherapy lights create a gentle glow that boosts your mood and rejuvenates your skin as you soak. The sleek rectangular design with blue glass sides brings a touch of ocean calm right into your home. Lean back, stretch out, and let relaxation take over. It's your personal getaway at the end of the day. Now you see it, now you don't. This clever Murphy bed hides inside a sleek cabinet that blends perfectly with your furniture. When guests arrive, just pull it out and unfold a comfy queen-size bed in seconds. The built-in charging station keeps your devices powered overnight, while the large storage drawer handles all your bedding or books. Ideal for small rooms or home offices, it's the ultimate space-saving multitasker. Transform your sleep with this electric adjustable bed. The head and foot lift independently, letting you relax, watch TV, or find your perfect zero-gravity position. Built-in USB ports and storage pockets keep devices and essentials close at hand. A backlit remote with flashlight makes adjustments easy, even in the dark. Quick to set up and designed to relieve back pain, it's comfort and convenience rolled into one modern frame. One chair, endless ways to get comfortable. This adjustable swivel accent chair lets you recline, rotate, and relax exactly how you like. You can switch between multiple lounging positions for reading, gaming, or kicking back after a long day. The plush upholstery feels soft and supportive, so you stay comfortable even during long sits. A built-in phone holder keeps your screen right where you need it, turning this chair into your personal comfort zone. Relaxation just got an upgrade. This round rattan daybed transforms into a sofa, chairs, or even an extendable tea table. You can mix and match pieces to fit any outdoor setup. A retractable canopy shields you from the sun when needed and folds away when you want the breeze. Made from weather-resistant rattan, it handles rain and sun with ease. Zippered cushions make cleaning a breeze, so you can lounge worry-free. Ever wish you could nap like your dog does? Now you can. This oversized human dog bed wraps you in soft, plush, and fluffy cotton, giving you and your pet the ultimate cozy spot to relax together. The sturdy frame keeps its shape, while the cute bunny ear design adds a playful touch to any room. Its cave-like shape creates a private little hideaway that melts away stress in minutes. Its comfort, companionship, and pure coziness all rolled into one giant cuddle zone. Meet the chair that makes gravity work in your favor. This zero-gravity lounger tilts you into the perfect ergonomic position, taking pressure off your spine and joints so you feel instantly lighter. The dense foam supports every curve of your body, with a softer cushion for your head and firmer support where you need it most. A matching pillow adds extra comfort. No assembly required, just relax and unwind. This is what happens when comfort stops playing by the rules. This giant human dog bed lets you curl up, stretch out, and fully relax like your pet does every day. The raised edges wrap around you, giving your head, neck, and back a cozy, supported feel. Soft faux fur and thick foam help your body unwind and melt away stress fast. You can even share it with your pet and turn lounging into a whole new experience. Movie night just got an upgrade. This recliner adjusts smoothly from upright to fully laid back, letting you read, nap, or watch TV in total comfort. 8 massage modes and 2 vibration settings target your back and lumbar area, easing away stress while you sit. A cushioned footrest adds extra relaxation, and setup takes only minutes. Small in size, big on comfort, it fits perfectly in any space. This bed isn't just for sleeping, it's a full-on upgrade for your room. Built with a sleek metal frame, it features 2 tiers of headboard storage for your nighttime essentials and extra space underneath for boxes or bags. The built-in LED lights let you set the perfect vibe, from calm to colorful. Plus, it has USB and Type-C ports to charge your devices right beside you. Strong, quiet, and effortlessly modern. Looks like a regular entertainment center, right? But with one smooth pull, the whole thing transforms into a full-size Murphy bed. The built-in TV and sound bar make it look like a sleek media wall when it's closed, blending perfectly into your living space. The thin connection system keeps wires hidden for a clean setup. And when you're ready to rest, it unfolds into a cozy, comfortable bed in seconds. Turn your backyard into a private spa retreat with this inflatable hot tub built for 6. Just plug it in, fill it up, and let 170 soothing jets melt away every bit of tension. The wireless control panel lets you adjust temperature and bubbles right from your seat or even from your phone. Its energy-efficient cover keeps the water warm and ready whenever you are. With headrests, LED lighting, and easy setup, it's relaxation on demand wherever you want it. When space is tight, smart design makes all the difference. This foldable wall-mounted desk flips down into a sturdy workspace and folds back up into a sleek cabinet when you're done. Built-in shelves and hooks keep books, supplies, and decor neatly stored. It's strong, stylish, and perfect for home offices, dorms, or bedrooms. You'll love how it turns even the smallest corner into a functional workspace. Stiff shoulders? Aching back? This heated massage pillow brings instant relief with deep kneading 3D nodes that mimic real hands. 2 heat zones melt away tension while you relax. Choose from 3 intensity levels for the perfect pressure every time. It's compact, easy to use, and works on your neck, back, or legs. Pure comfort whenever you need it. This chair turns your living room into a personal wellness zone. 10 rollers and 8 airbags work together to loosen tight muscles in your back, waist, and hips, giving you the kind of relief you usually get from a spa. You can choose from 5 auto programs or 15 custom settings, ranging from light relaxation to deep tissue pressure. Built-in Bluetooth sound and a handy phone holder let you watch, read, or scroll without ever lifting your arms. And with a zero-gravity recline that leans back to roughly 165 degrees, gentle heat, night lights, and an extendable footrest, it feels like floating your stress away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.